This is the first idea for this one. So basically, I want to add, after you open the door, in the left side, you're going to put a glass block there. So the light still coming, but the vision, no one can see.
The light from outside, yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
That's the thing.
So, that's all you wanted to ask me?
And also, this is about the kitchen. This is about the toilet or declare, yeah? Please decide this later.
Yeah.
So we add some, here we're gonna put some little bit level down. Example, if it this wet, all the water is coming to them. Like this, something like this.
Yeah.
So put the gutter there, maybe we can put a loose table there, just to make it pretty.
Yeah, so the water from the shower will go here.
Yeah, this is also here, if you have some water there, it will go to there.
It's good. Okay. Is it the most convenient way to clean if it gets like hair and everything?
Yeah,
How do you clean?
for sure, in the pipe, in the drainage, we will have a filter there. That can be pop out and clean it.
Okay.
For sure.
Coba sedikit paling stop kontak di sini mungkin dispenser di sana sama dispenser. Ini bobot sama ini aja.
Ini naik, semuanya naik.
Naik sekitar 7 sentian. Mana jelas? Nah, yang di sini kasih. Temu di sini. Buat lubang, pasang pipa gas, tembus di gudang. Buat di sini. Ya. Ini ke sini, panjang ke sini. Sama dulu ini. Ubah jaringan itu.
Bukan jaringan.
Ya.
Ini bongkar.
Nah,
Bongkar itu besarin gitu.
ya di sini sih tutup kan. Ya tembok segini. 180-an lah ya. Kira-kira kloset jadi di sini. Nah, di sana ada drainase, buatkan drainase seperti ini.
Ini dibobol nggak nih?
Antara bobol dan gembok gitu aja.
Okay everyone, this is our new project now. We get this project from our partner Oasis Construction, and the owner is Mrs. Alma from Kazakhstan. The location of this project is still in Canggu area at Gang Mangga, Tibubeneng, Kecamatan Kuta Utara, Badung. So what we're going to do about this project is we're going to make a renovation because we got the information from Oli. This project is led by Oli. Mr. Oli said to us that the owner wants to change the style of the villa, the finishing. So Mrs. Alma yesterday said to us she wants to repaint the wall because the paint there is like kind of dirty and many crack. So we're going to do the repaint there. And on the ceiling part also, the ceiling part, if you see there's in the video, there's too many lines. We're going to make it more smooth and repaint it. And the other thing that quite complicated here is the bedroom part, because the position of the toilet, the wash towel and the shower, Mrs. Alma doesn't like that. We have to change the position and redesign it. The first thing that we're going to do is we make a new plan and the 3D. So we have an agreement. If the client said okay, so we can continue with the work. Same also as the kitchen. The kitchen is in the middle. Basically this building is symmetrical because in the middle part of the layout, the left side and the right side is the same, and the middle part is the kitchen and the dining area. So in this both area, bedroom and kitchen, we're going to do the design first. The other things that we're going to do is the general work here is make a windows and door access in the front, because right now the villa is open, the area in the front is opening until the kitchen area. We have to close that all around on the front area. So we're going to add the steel door and windows. So the area inside can use aircon and it will be safe from the mosquito and all the insects. I think that's it for the villa. And the other part, last but not least, is the garden area. So the client yesterday, she ran a villa, and in the front he ran some small land for the garden. And it's kind of funny because there's some problem in the garden because some kids destroying the plants there. The banana trees been destroyed by the kids that play around in that area. So the things that we're going to do is to put the door and make some wall also there, so this area will be private and nobody can access it except the client itself using the key, so it will be safe. So she can do a gardening part there, put some plants, vegetable and fruits. I think that's it for this project. We're going to sign the contract and let's see what we do after that. if you want to add more, like example, there's a system that we can put a light on the bottom to get it clear. If you have the kitchen part on the top, you can add that one based on the design for sure. And for the ceiling light, we already get the price for the installation because we need to lower drop the ceiling. That's why the wiring will be set up. We set up all the wiring, but we use the old lamp also. Example, you want to change it into LED with the Philips. You can bought that one, and we will put that in there. So basically, all the accessory we still use the old one.
But it's as simple as you sending us a photo, and we can go buy it.
Yeah, maybe you don't have time. We will search in the shop and we'll show you the price.
But things like lights are a small cost. It's not going to cost you much.
Yeah. We design it first, then you can choose after that. Maybe
Let's give some options for that.
we give some option for you.
Yeah.
Don't worry. All the things that you need to provide here will be developed with us together. So we can make you some option. Then you choose which one is better.
I think we aim, because renovations are always tricky.
Yeah.
They're harder than new builds, because obviously
We
we're
try to
changing
adapt.
things.
We try to adapt with
Yeah.
the business.
So I think we aim to get to a stage with construction, and then we all get together and we say, or Elma says, I want that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Additional door there. Do you want to full close or we have a hole? Just like
Fully closed.
Because I don't want any insects flying
so
around.
it's fully closed and sealed there.
Yeah.
Tertutup rapat
Sealed.
di sana.
Because she's going to have computers, clothes,
Okay. We keep it
storage.
tight. Okay.
Yeah.
We can arrange that one.
So I think we do this for number one, and then Miss Alma can bring her stuff in,
Yeah.
and then we start attacking the bedrooms and the bathrooms.
Okay guys, we have the deal with the client today, and even it's rains and the situation is very wet here. So finally we have the sign. Cheers Ahmed and Oli. This is the leader of the Oasis here for the company, and we are from the Gauri Art Division team going to be supervising all the progress here. So basically Jitot Ari will be monitoring all the work here. And maybe Oli, you can talk about the project in regular. So what's the progress we're going to start?
Okay, so the progress is we've got Alma, who's from Europe. She'll be going home in 2 weeks. So stage one, we'll be sending all her furniture from her current villa to this villa, which will be over there. So that will be
storage area.
So that will be aim number one, and then we will be getting into the priority number one, and then we will be getting into the bedrooms, stripping the bathrooms, and working on the kitchen and the lounge area.
Yeah.
We've also enclosing this whole area with new
Windows,
windows
Windows
and
and door,
Steel and glass.
and tidying the place up, doing some waterproofing out here,
Yeah, it's very.
and giving her a nice new renovated house.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it, guys. I think that's the things that we have to tell you about the progress right now, and we will see all the progress in the future with all the team in the field.
Thank you.
Finally, we get the contract signed together with Miss Alma and Mr. Oli from Oasis. So this project will be start soon. The things that we're going to do first is we're gonna set up all the worker before the progress start and prepare the material. And also the problem that we are facing right now is because this is the end of the years. In Bali right now is the rainy season, but I think it's not a big problem because this is a renovation project. We're not doing the project from zero, from the land, empty land. So we have a roof. The progress will be inside of the building, like finishing and everything. Okay, I think that's the first part of this video, renovation project for Mrs. Alma. Let's meet on the second part of the video about the progress in the field. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in Gauri Art Division Studio channel.